Okay, and we are back for another unboxing video. With me is Philly. She's the lady that you guys also speak to a lot on the phone when you guys call. So welcome, Philly. What's your favorite part working at Luxurytime?
The people, like the work environment and having like a family in your workplace. It's always fun.
And your least favorite thing?
I actually don't know. I would say dealing with difficult clients, that would be my least favorite.
And all the designs that you guys see, the newsletter, the Facebook ads, the Instagram posts, that's being designed, that is Philly that also does that. So well done, Philly. So let's start with, wil jy 'n paar vat en begin? Or wrist check. I am wearing a Omega Planet Ocean, I think this is the 44 mil. Philly is wearing
the vintage Breitling Navitimer.
It's the 806 model, pretty rare. We actually have two of them in stock. You can see them on our website with photos and prices. Okay, waarmee wil jy begin?
We have the Panerai submersible today. This is a limited edition. We don't know how to say the words, so you're just getting the submersible today.
Yeah, the watch was named after a French free diver. 47 mil titanium watch, pretty light for its size.
Next up we have the Breitling.
What's a Breitling? Is it?
My brain het gebreek.
Yeah. It's a Breitling Avenger.
Yes.
This is the, what size is this? 50 mil
Dink so.
or 48. It's massive. It's made from the Breitling, their own carbon fiber that they call Breitling Bright Light. A pretty nice watch. This watch retails for like 150,000 Rand. I think we're selling it for 60,000 pre-owned.
Next up we have the Bell & Ross. I actually don't know.
Bell & Ross, also very popular with aviation guys. This is a chronograph, also from titanium. Very cool watch. This is probably the best looking Bell & Ross I've seen in a long time. I actually wore this watch for a long time and I loved it until one of my friends saw it on my wrist and he bought it.
So here we have our famous Cartier Tank Francais again. This is a 20 millimeters ladies watch. Like you guys know, it's nice and small, nice for every day, nice to dress it up, and yeah.
Next one is a Ebel 911. Not exactly sure what this model is. Tecton. Ebel Tecton chronograph 911. This is a pretty interesting one. It is a Panerai Luminor power reserve, reference PAM 00123, with a crown that is on the left hand side. So it's designed for people that likes wearing their watches on their left wrist or on their right wrist.
Next up we have the Tag Heuer Carrera skeleton watch. It's quite a popular model.
It's more popular on the rubber strap though, but these are nice. Big watch, good value for money. Tag Heuer.
And then we have the Omega Mark II. This is a vintage model we have.
Yeah, this is before the Speedmaster, before the one that everyone wanted. The MK2. You'll see it, this case is not like the normal Speedmaster case that everyone knows. Compare it to this one. This is a re-edition one that we got in.
Then our last Omega for the day. This is the Seamaster Omega. These are normally diving watches if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, that's it. Also very cool, it's got the new dial that changes color. I don't know if Casey or not color. It's got wave patterns on it. And then we got in a lot of Rolexes.
It's already unboxed.
Yeah, let's just get those ones out of the way. The skydweller two-tone. Last week we had a stainless steel one in. It sold pretty quickly. This one will also sell fast. It's the bigger bulkier Rolex, and also, as you guys know, it's the most complicated watch that Rolex makes. To change the day and the time on the watch, you actually turn the bezel. I did tell you the story of it where I first had one of these in hand. I thought the watch was broken because I didn't know how to set the time on.
And then we have the Rolex Datejust with the Roman numeral dials. Like you guys can see, it has a white dial and a fluted bezel on a Jubilee bracelet.
36 millimeters, so a lady or a gent can wear it. Jy like nie Rolex so baie nie, of die nie?
Ja, daar's 'n paar waarvan ek hou, maar
Philly likes every time when we get an old vintage watch in, doesn't matter basically what brand it is, she gravitates towards it.
like the vintage one.
Die maak hy tag klaar.
Here we have the Tag Ladies Formula 1 watch. This is the newer model of the Formula 1. It has ceramic in the bracelet, and it also has a diamonds set in the dial. These models, the previous ones were very popular with the diamonds around the bezel, but I think these ones are also pretty popular.
Very popular watch.
Yeah.
Slide them on. Okay, this pretty heavy hitting watch, solid yellow gold Rolex Submariner. This is the kind of watch you give to your husband if you want him killed to wear out to a shopping mall. It's probably the most dangerous watch to wear in South Africa, is a solid gold Rolex like this. Rolex Datejust, and this one's got the roulette date wheel where it changes every day. It's red, the next day is black, black, red, black, red.
Here we have the Rolex Datejust. I think this is a 36 mil.
Yes, 36 mil.
And it also has the date with a Jubilee bracelet.
Fluted bezel, and this one's got the new clasp, whereas the older ones, like this, you can see that it's got the hidden clasp. The newer models, it's got the deployment clasps. 41 millimeter blue dial, smooth bezel. The smooth bezels are not really popular, but people still like them. It does have the Jubilee bracelet and the new clasp.
Okay, I think this is Rolex GMT, rose gold.
Wat noem hulle hierdie ene ook? Wat sê bynaam? Soos jy kry die Hulk,
Nou vir
die
jou
Pepsi.
sê, Rootbeer.
Correct.
Rolex Rootbeer.
This is the Rolex GMT, referred to as the Rootbeer. Very popular watch as well. Basically all the steel Rolex sports models are popular. Ask Philly, every time when she lists a watch on the website,
2 minutes, it's gone.
2
Not
minutes,
even.
it's sold. So she's basically my good luck charm if we want a watch sold.
Lastly, we have the famous Batgirl, the Rolex GMT. This one has the Jubilee bracelet. The Batman has the Oyster Perpetual bracelet. This is a very popular watch. Back in the day when I started working here, the Batman was more popular, but these days everyone rather wants the Batgirl.
I think that's just because of the bracelet. And then I'd say probably our nicest arrival today is the AP Royal Oak 41 millimeters in rose gold. You don't see a lot of these around. These watches, the prices range from, if you have a look online, from around about 700,000 up until 1.1 million rand. This you'll see on our website. It's in stock and available. So visit luxurytime.co.za to see all the available watches and all the new arrivals. A lot of these watches will probably be not on the website anymore when this video comes out, but just keep an eye on our website. Thanks, Philly.
Thank you for watching the video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.